Okay, so we are asking you to complete your day one assignment. It's just really good practice for you to, for one, find your course and then go into the course, find that first day assignment, complete it, and then you've essentially kind of gotten the ball rolling. You kind of know how this looks, what to expect. So let's go ahead and do this together. So if you are all on your student homepage, which it should again look like this, you're going to click on classes. And then once you go into classes, I want you to go to one of your core courses. So math, science, English, history, one of those. And when you go to the class, this is where you're going to want to go to that content tab. So once you click on content, up here, you're going to see something that says day one assignment, start here, something about that first assignment. It's going to be located on this side. That's what we want you to click on and go ahead and complete. It's probably like a 2-second survey. Yes, I did this, submit, and then you're done. So let us know, maybe put in the chat box once you're done with that. Just let us know, yes, I'm done. Okay? Thank you.